Your quest for the ideal residence in Lincoln ends at the Junxion, a remarkable heaven offering not just what you need, but beyond. Choose from a range of single and shared ensuite apartments as well as private apartments, each elegantly furnished to cater to individual tastes. Return home to a luxurious bed and a dedicated study area to elevate your academic pursuits. Socialize and relax in the inviting lounge, or indulge your competitive streak with amenities like a snooker and pool table. But there's more. Your daily chores become effortless with on-site laundry and cleaning services, affording you more time for academics. Bid farewell to safety concerns with features such as 24-hour CCTV surveillance and a secure door entry system. In terms of location, both the University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste University are conveniently nearby, streamlining your scholarly commute. Additionally, you can explore a plethora of dining and social options, from the tempting treats at Cape Box to the authentic flavors at Greg's. Coffee aficionados can savor the charming ambience of Bar Unico, perfect for unwinding with a good book or friends. With various bus stops and train stations in close proximity, commuting from the Junxion Lincoln is hassle-free. So, what's holding you back? Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your ideal stay at the Junxion Lincoln today.